Open Montessori is a small nonprofit organization that's focused on sharing and extending the vision of Maria Montessori.
For our students, there's a lot of freedom for work times. Our goal is to help kids be able to manage their own time and to be self-motivated.
The Open VR workshop is just a 5-day workshop in the middle school.
VR stands for virtual reality. It can be and should be used as a tool to help creatives see the reality around them.
A week out of our normal schedule is very unique and is giving them an opportunity to not only rub elbows with professionals that are leading their fields, but who are giving them some of the skills that they could use themselves.
I think it's amazing that this workshop is happening. It's been really good working with the students to see how fast they pick up technology.
This week I learned about 3D modeling and how you can go into a software app and you can model something that's very exact.
Kids these days are exposed to a lot of this technology. One of the goals of this workshop is to allow them to enter this space as a creator rather than a consumer.
This week I learned that virtual reality isn't only about the fun, but actually you can use it in so many practical ways.
Throughout the week, they move from focusing on a singular object, the chair, to focusing on more of a space environment. That transition of focus from object to space allows them to transition also from augmented reality into a complete virtual reality space.
I personally didn't get the opportunity to use VR until my 3rd year in college, and now they get to do it when they're 12, 13 years old. So it's interesting to see what they can and will do with it.
The students were able to share these spaces using virtual reality headsets. So by the end of the week, they had actually designed an entire virtual environment that could be explored, that was based on their own imagination.
Everything's pretty clear.
It was fun for us to share our work with the parents. A lot of these parents don't know much about virtual reality themselves.
You don't actually have to move anywhere, but you can turn around to see your surroundings.
Now the tables are turned. The students are the experts and they have a chance to show their parents what they've been doing all week.
It's been really cool just seeing 3D objects that we make being brought into the real world. I mean, it's not in the real world, but it's there.
We want these students to see what's possible. At this age, you're full of ideas of what you might become, who you want to be. This week is really about opening their eyes to some of the new careers that are out there and to get them inspired, to get them excited about their future, and to motivate them to continue to learn here at New School Montessori and way beyond.